If cosecant A minus B is equal to 2, cot A plus B is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degrees less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degrees, A is greater than B, find A and B. Given cosecant A minus B is equal to 2. Cosecant A minus B is equal to cosecant 30 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Equation 1. Cot A plus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Cot A plus B is equal to cot 60. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Equation 2. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Add. B cancel. A plus A, 2A is equal to 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 by 2. A is equal to 45 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. 45 plus B is equal to 60. P is equal to 60 minus 45. B is equal to 15 degrees. Here A plus B is equal to 45 plus 15, that is 60, less than 90 degrees. A is greater than B. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, show that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Given cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Squaring on both sides, cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta. 2 cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus 1, that is 2, minus of cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus of cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 2 minus of cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to minus 2 common, that is minus 2 into 1 minus cos square theta, minus cancel, cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 2 into 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Therefore, cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root of 2 sin square theta. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 into sin theta.